In this video, I'm going to show you how we can easily lock Telegram app on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to the Play Store and then search for App Lock. That's how we can easily find a bunch of different apps that may help us to lock another apps on our device. I prefer to use that one that is free. To install it, I'm going to tap at that button, and then once it's installed, we need to open it up to configure. On the first step, you will be asked to enter a 6-digit PIN, so we need to create a PIN. We can, by the way, tap right here and switch it to 4-digit PIN, pattern, or NUC code. Once you've entered a PIN, we need to re-enter it to confirm. Tap at Save. And then on the next step, we need to give some permissions for the app. So I'm going to tap at Permit. And on the next step, we need to turn on the toggle next to App Lock Pro. Then permit again, and then allow permissions. OK, permit, allow. The app is basically configured now, and here we got two lists, unlocked apps and locked apps. I don't know, here it is, the Telegram. The Telegram by default is locked, so we can already try to open up Telegram app, and once we've done that, it will ask us to enter the PIN code we've just created. The same about another locked applications. Here we can check the list of locked apps, and if we would like to remove some app from that list, all we have to do is just tap at this lock icon, and that will be immediately moved from locked to unlocked. Now, as far as I've just unlocked the Telegram, I can open it up, and as you can see now, I can open it without being asked about entering any password. However, let's say Facebook app is still locked and I need to enter the PIN to get access to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.